Welcome to ClearTask. In this tutorial, we will walk through exactly how to move your Microsoft Word document into Google Docs quickly and seamlessly. First, make sure you know exactly where your Word document is saved on your computer, such as your desktop or your Documents folder. Next, open your web browser and ensure you are logged into your Google account. Click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, then select Drive. Once Google Drive is open, navigate to the top left corner and click the New button. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Locate your Word document on your computer, select it, and click Open to begin the upload. After the file finishes uploading, click on the Recent tab in the left-hand menu to easily locate your document. Right-click on the uploaded file, hover over Open With, and select Google Docs. Your document will now open inside Google Docs. To complete the process and fully convert the file, click on File in the top menu bar, then choose Save as Google Docs. This action opens a fresh, fully converted version of your document in a new tab, permanently saved directly to your Google Drive. You can verify this at any time by clicking the Docs Home button. Thank you for watching ClearTask. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more direct, professional tutorials.